National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, central Newton County, and southeastern Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Maryville, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Maryville, Singer, Bon River, Junction, and Bivens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What a day.
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.